Identify and match. पहचानिए और मिलाइए. Here is word can. Now we search word can in the second row. Man, ban, ran, van, fan, can. Yes, this is can. So we match both words can. Here is word fan. Now we search word fan in the second row. Man, ban, ran, van, fan. Yes, this is fan. So we match both words fan. Here is word man. Man is first word in the second row. So we match both words man. Here is word ran. Now we search word ran in the second row. Man, ban, ran. Yes, this is ran. So we match both words ran. Here is word ban. Now we search word ban in the second row. Man, ban. Yes, this is ban. So we match both words ban. Here is word van. Now we search word van in the second row. Man, ban, ran. Van. Yes, this is van. So we match both words van.